Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu ice cream. First, gather your ingredients, including 250 grams of mascarpone, 100 milliliters of strong espresso, and a package of Ladyfingers. Next, prepare a classic custard base by whisking 6 egg yolks with 150 grams of sugar over a double boiler until thick. Then, gently fold in the espresso to create a flavorful foundation for your ice cream. Now, let's build those delicious layers. In a separate bowl, whip 400 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Carefully fold the mascarpone cheese into your cooled espresso custard until smooth. Then, quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the remaining espresso, ensuring they are moistened but not overly saturated, which prevents a soggy texture. It's time to bring it all together. Pour your mascarpone and custard mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for about 20 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer half of the churned ice cream to a freezer-safe container, top with a layer of espresso-soaked Ladyfingers, then add the remaining ice cream. Finally, for the perfect finish, freeze your layered tiramisu ice cream for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to firm up completely. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly, then dust generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. It's truly a delightful treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.